Hey guys, it's Ronaldo, your credit coach, and this week I want to talk about the difference between the statement date and the due date. The due date, that's when the payment is due. If you make a payment after the due date, they charge you late fees and it could be reported on your credit report. The statement date, that date is an important date because that's when you actually want to make your payment. Why? I'm glad you asked. Because that's the date that credit card company is going to report the account to the credit agencies. And if you made a payment, they're going to report that payment. And of course, if your balance gets reduced, they will report it, which will reduce your balance, increase your credit scores. The due date, that's the time they give you to make your payment. Most of us tend to wait until the due date, but guess what? That means you're paying 30 days of interest. It's very complicated. I'll get into a video about that next time. But if you wait until the due date, then you're paying 30 days worth of interest. Versus paying on the statement date, you pay less interest. It gets reported quicker. FICO scores increase much faster. And if you paid on the due date, that payment is not going to get reported until the statement date of the following month, which could be 21 days after the due date. All right, guys, if you having trouble understanding this and you would like to send me a message, please do it. I'll be more than happy to elaborate more on this subject. And again, guys, thank you for your support. Hit that like button, hit that share button, and I'll talk to you guys soon.